Alright, this is 4534 West Beachway Drive, and we just did a smoke test and had smoke pouring out of the laundry drain. I ran 2 cups of water down there to see if maybe the P-trap had dried up, and ran the smoke test again and still had smoke boiling out of it. So now I'm running a camera through the pipe, and this drops down to the main line, sanitary T, and there's absolutely no P-trap. I'm going to run some water to show there's no P-trap. Alright, so I'm going to pour water down the drain right now for the washer. It's a big cup of water, and as you can see, it just flows straight down, 4 feet down, just drops right into this sanitary tee. So there's a 45-degree bend, but there's no P-trap whatsoever inside of this pipe. So I'm coming back up out of the wall now, and we're right behind the washing machine. Don't see a P-trap.